Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. Now it's time for us, say hi Shant.
Hi.
It's time for us to pick the green almonds. We eat them green. We're Armenian Lebanese. We're all Armenian, but our family's from Lebanon. Shant, say nush.
Noosh.
Asi anune, nush nush. In Armenian, this is nush, almond. So we eat them green. Let's see right here, let me show you. Here's Lulu. So even though there's a lot of small ones, they're not gonna size up at all. I'm just gonna throw them on the ground.
This one is
Hold on, let me taste one. It's gonna be crunchy a little bit. And we eat them with salt. Oh, they're good. They're a little sour, Shant. This is his first time eating one. Eat one.
This is my first time also.
I said it was your first time.
Is it sour?
Yeah, do you like it? There we go. So we eat them green with salt, sometimes a little red pepper. I like to put a little red pepper, but salt is the minimum. Let's back up a bit so you can see the tree. See how, I'm not gonna show the whole tree, but you can see how much, if you look for these little guys, you can see how much there is on here. Probably 300, this size. Beautiful, huh? All right, but we got you didn't even finish this side.
This is a huge one.
Okay, you're gonna eat them, huh?
I'm gonna eat this one.
Oh man. Not many people eat it this way. And the good thing about this, extremely healthy. You don't have to wait so long.
Did you tell them that I like vegetables?
Yeah, he wants me to tell you all of you that he likes vegetables.
Yeah, I do.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers. So what we don't like, you can see the flower petals.
Big one. Big one.
He hit my arm. What I was saying is it's good so you don't have to wait so long, because there's a lot of squirrels, birds. You can hear Taline in the background. She's with her mommy right now. Squirrels, birds, insects like to get into an almond. It's okay. Just try not to break the branch, okay? It's all right.
This one is real big.
So, like I said, I'm just worried about the squirrels and the leaf-footed beetle or leaf-footed bug, which I'm assuming it's somewhere here in this tree, and it's gonna scare my son when we find it. Here, Sean, let's not eat. We got the bag for a reason.
I just want this one.
Okay,
I
you
just like the big one.
Okay, you want the ones that we're gonna try to harvest. Here, look, all this, see? Just pinch it off, twist. Don't pull them, okay? And just like this. Just like that, and then we add some salt to that. Or we bite, well, you bite it and then dip it in salt, because if you just add salt to this, it'll just run off. Or some people I've seen before, they wash them. I don't need a wash, I don't spray any poison. But they wash them and then they sprinkle salt on them so it sticks to the little fuzz. So let me show you right now, it's in relation, almond is in relation to a stone fruit like peaches. Let me show you right now how it looks alike. Here's the almond, and here's the peach. Do you see how they look alike? Isn't that interesting? Be careful, son. Did you just take some out of the bag to eat it? One? We're never gonna get finished with harvesting. All right, come on, let's look. See, I got it. Let's throw it in the bag. And let's just keep doing that 200 more times, or maybe 300.
I see some.
Wanna say hi, Lulu? You like almonds? So this one, might as well eat it, but it's not harvest worthy. We don't really usually collect these. I'll still eat it though.
It tastes good.
Actually, excuse me, that does not taste good. The little ones don't taste good, Chant. Little ones do not taste good. That's the first time I ever tried one. Little, it's not good.
Let me try one.
Here's a bee. I don't know what the bee's doing here for. There is no flowers. The little one didn't taste good. All right, everybody. Well, we'll try one. Say bye, Shandik.
Bye.
Say happy gardening. What are you doing? Playing with the moringas?
Nope.
That's a moringa tree that I cut the branches from. All right, everybody. We're going to get going on this and hurry up. There's a lot we got to collect, if you could see. Bye, everybody. Happy gardening.